Hello, the Wallace Akins is coming to you from the house. Now this is our plumbing well. We needed to find the line for our water because we were wondering what was going on. The water bill was so high, but yet and still we weren't running water like that. But yet and still, blah, 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 blah. Come to find out, we actually had a break in our line. Not just a little break, but the whole split here. Okay, and then we thought it was just one, but let me focus a little bit more, and there's two. Okay, this broke apart, and then that was already there, and I found a mistake, and that was there also. It just broke apart. So now we have to go under this huge tree here. You can see that, all those limbs, and we have this tree that's blocking it. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day. But my wife and I, we actually did a pretty good job of digging this ourselves. But you know what? That is not our expertise to come out here and repair this, so we're not going to. So goodbye from now, and then hopefully I'll come back soon. Toodaloo, yay yay.